Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by going to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Windows centralizes access methods. Choose whether you'll use a password, a PIN, or a security key, and make sure you have that credential ready. If you use a Microsoft account, check your internet connection so settings sync. Once done, click Add under the chosen method and follow on-screen prompts. You'll enter your current credentials to prove identity, so have any recovery codes handy. Next, focus on configuring your chosen authentication method so sign-in becomes quick and secure. If you pick Windows Hello, follow the camera or fingerprint sensor prompts closely. Make small head turns or different finger placements when prompted to improve recognition. If you prefer a PIN, create one that's device-specific. Once set, enable a secondary factor like your phone or a security key for multi-factor protection. Make sure to finally verify everything by locking the PC and signing in with the new method so you can confirm success. If sign-in fails, check for Windows updates and device driver updates because outdated drivers often break biometric sensors. Make those updates and retry. If problems persist, use recovery options. Reset your PIN from sign-in options or run Microsoft account recovery for password issues. And make sure you've enrolled alternate verification methods to regain access quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.